10 tons of oyster shells, once discarded as ocean waste, are now becoming a white gold mine for the global sustainable nutrition industry in this facility. Welcome to the world's most advanced nano-recycling process, where we challenge the limits of food science to create a better and more sustainable future today. These rough shells contain high-quality calcium carbonate, waiting to be unlocked by cutting-edge technology and transformed into a powerful nutritional supplement for the entire world. As the gates open, we enter a realm of precision where nature's waste meets human innovation to solve the growing demand for healthy, sustainable food sources. Automated systems handle the heavy lifting, ensuring a seamless flow of raw materials into our high-tech processing lines with maximum efficiency and zero human error. The journey begins as the shells move through a series of sophisticated sensors and cleaning stations designed to purify every single gram of the raw material. Our expert engineers oversee every step, utilizing artificial intelligence to monitor the shell quality before they undergo the intense purification and crushing stages of production. This is the start of a remarkable transformation, where we turn the ocean's cast-offs into a premium superfood that strengthens the human body naturally and effectively. Cleaning is the vital first step in our process. Powerful high-pressure jets strip away every trace of organic debris to ensure the highest level of purity. Every crack and crevice is scrubbed clean, removing sea salt and sand particles that could compromise the quality of the final calcium supplement we are creating. After washing, the shells are flash-dried to remove moisture, preparing the calcium structure for the intense physical breakdown that will occur in the crushing chamber next. The raw strength of industrial machinery meets the brittle shells, initiating a crushing process that shatters the original structure into small, manageable mineral fragments for processing. This stage is both powerful and precise, breaking down the tough outer layers to expose the pure calcium carbonate that lies within these ancient oceanic structures. Vibrating screens sort the fragments, ensuring only the perfect size proceeds to the next stage, while any remaining impurities are filtered out by our advanced systems. The fragments travel through a sterile environment, maintaining absolute hygiene as they head toward the high-temperature pyrolysis furnace for deep molecular purification and cleaning. Inside this furnace, the shells are heated to extreme temperatures, a process that eliminates any remaining organic matter and stabilizes the calcium for human consumption. The heat treatment is precise, carefully controlled by AI to ensure the calcium remains intact, while all potential allergens and contaminants are completely burnt away forever. Even the air is filtered, ensuring the factory remains a zero-emission facility that respects the environment while producing high-grade nutritional products for the global market. Once cooled, these fragments are purer than ever, stripped of their past as waste and ready to be reborn as a highly effective nutritional supplement powder. We now enter the heart of the innovation lab, where the real magic happens. This is where we transition from simple crushing to advanced nanotechnology. The centrifugal mill spins at incredible speeds, using ceramic beads to pulverize the shell fragments into a fine dust that is invisible to the human eye. Inside the chamber, the powder behaves like a liquid, swirling in a vacuum as it is ground down to a particle size measured in nanometers. Our AI simulations show how the calcium molecules are restructured, creating a form that the human body can absorb almost instantly with nearly 100% efficiency. Every batch is tested for solubility. By breaking the calcium down to the nano level, we ensure it dissolves perfectly, making it far superior to traditional supplements. Touch the future of nutrition. This powder is so fine it feels like silk, designed to integrate seamlessly into various food products without changing their texture. Under the microscope, we see perfection. Each particle is uniform, ensuring that every serving of our product delivers the exact same amount of concentrated biocalcium. Precision is key. Robotic arms ensure that the delicate nano powder is handled with care, preventing any contamination as it moves to the final formulation phase. Data-driven production allows us to replicate this high-quality result every time, transforming tons of waste into precious nutrients with unmatched scientific consistency and industrial scale. The white gold flows. This concentrated calcium is the foundation of our superfood, representing a massive leap forward in nutritional science and resource. Recycling. This facility is more than a factory. It is a sanctuary for innovation where we redefine what is possible for the health of our global community. The density of this nano-calcium is carefully calibrated, ensuring it can be easily mixed into snacks, drinks, or tablets without ever losing its powerful potency. From the rough, discarded shell of the sea to this ultra-pure powder, the journey is a testament to human ingenuity and our commitment to sustainable health. Our standards are absolute. We achieve 99.9% purity, creating a product that is safe, effective, and environmentally responsible in every way. The lab never sleeps as we continue to refine and perfect the process of turning ocean waste into the most advanced calcium supplement on the market. We now move to the blending phase, where the pure calcium meets a symphony of organic ingredients to create a complete and delicious nutritional profile. First, we add nutrient-dense green vegetable powders, packed with vitamins and minerals that work in synergy with the calcium to boost overall health and immunity. Next come the organic golden grains, providing healthy carbohydrates and fiber to create a balanced snack that nourishes the body and satisfies the palate perfectly. The hero ingredient. Our nano-calcium is then carefully sifted into the mix, ensuring an even distribution that guarantees high nutritional value in every single bite. The mixing begins, creating stunning patterns of color. This fusion is not just about nutrition, it is an art form that combines science with culinary excellence. As the blades spin, the different powders become one. Our AI-controlled systems ensure the mixture reaches a perfect homogeneity. Crucial. For consistent quality and taste, precision is our obsession. We measure every ingredient down to the microgram, ensuring that the ratio of calcium to vitamins is perfectly balanced for optimal absorption. Look closely at the texture. Every grain of calcium is now bonded with organic nutrients, creating a complex structure designed for maximum bioavailability and superior health benefits. We add just the right amount of purified water to transform the dry powders into a supple dough, the base for our revolutionary calcium-rich snacks and supplements. Mechanical kneading ensures the dough is perfectly elastic. This step is critical to achieving the light, crispy texture that makes our snacks so enjoyable to eat. We monitor the pH and chemical stability of the dough constantly, ensuring that the calcium remains active and the nutrients are preserved throughout the entire process. Our large-scale mixing facility allows us to process tons of material daily, bringing this sustainable superfood to millions of health-conscious consumers around the world. The final mixture is now ready for shaping. It represents the perfect harmony between ocean minerals and land-based nutrition, all brought together by modern science. We now enter the shaping phase. Our advanced extrusion technology transforms the nutrient-dense dough into uniform shapes, ready for the final cooking and drying process. High-speed blades cut the snacks with incredible precision, ensuring each piece is the exact same size and weight for consistent dosage of our calcium-rich formula. The alignment is perfect. Every snack reflects our commitment to quality, looking as good as they taste, while providing the essential calcium your body needs. Instead of high heat baking, we use a sophisticated cold drying process. This preserves the delicate vitamins and the molecular structure of the nano-calcium perfectly. As the moisture gently leaves the snack, it develops a unique, crispy texture. This makes the calcium supplement feel like a treat rather than a chore. The vacuum extraction of moisture is efficient and clean, ensuring the final product is shelf-stable for a long time without the need for artificial preservatives. The finished snacks pour into the trays like a rain of health. Each piece is packed with the power of the ocean and the science of tomorrow. This is the result of hours of careful processing. From raw waste shells to these beautiful, nutritious bites, the transformation is now nearly complete and ready. Even at this stage, robots ensure the product is handled with care. Every step is designed to maintain the integrity of our high-value calcium supplement snacks. Look at that internal structure. It's light, crispy, and designed to dissolve quickly in the stomach, allowing the nano-calcium to be absorbed by your body immediately. The pace picks up as the snacks head toward the final stage. We operate at high capacity to meet the global demand for sustainable nutritional solutions. Our facility is a model of efficiency and hygiene, showing how industrial scale can coexist with meticulous attention to detail and environmental responsibility in food production. A final touch of organic seasoning is added, enhancing the flavor profile while ensuring that our superfood is as delicious as it is beneficial for your bones. In the final quality control zone, laser scanners inspect every single piece. Any snack that doesn't meet our perfect standards is instantly removed by the system. Our robotic sorters are faster than the human eye, ensuring that only the highest quality products make it into our premium packaging for our valued customers. We scan for more than just shape. Our sensors analyze the mineral density of every batch, guaranteeing that the calcium content is exactly as promised on the label. Packaging is the final shield. We use advanced materials to protect the nutrients from light and air, ensuring the calcium stays active until the moment of consumption. Vacuum sealing locks in the freshness and prevents oxidation. This technology allows us to maintain a long shelf life without using any harmful chemical preservatives at all. The labels are applied with precision. The Calcium Superfood brand is a symbol of trust, quality, and our commitment to a sustainable future for everyone on Earth. Large robotic arms pack the boxes with ease, preparing them for shipment across the globe. This is the culmination of our journey from ocean waste to superfood. Every box is a promise kept. From the ocean floor to your front door, we ensure the highest standards are met at every single stage of production. Our logistics system is as advanced as our production line, ensuring that these life-changing supplements reach those who need them most quickly and efficiently every day. The final product is on its way. What started as 10 tons of waste is now a source of health, vitality, and environmental healing for the planet. In our final moments, we reflect on our mission. We aren't just making food, we are creating a better way for humanity to live in balance with nature. The perfect crunch, the perfect nutrition. This is the future of snacking, where indulgence meets health and environmental responsibility in one single, delicious, and powerful bite. As the sun sets over our facility, we are proud to have turned a problem into a solution. We give back to the ocean that gives so much. Factory 365, where technology redefines sustainable food. Join us on our journey to nourish the world while protecting the beauty and health of our precious blue oceans. Thank you for joining our tour. Together we can turn waste into wonder and build a healthier, more sustainable future for generations to come. See you soon.